Hey collectors, here's a look at Hiei or Vincent as known in the Philippines from YuYu Hokusho or Ghost Fighter by Dasin model, and I would like to thank JNJT Shops Built Plus Green Hills. Check them out. Vincent comes in two trays. The first one contains the figure itself, 4 facial expression plates, multiple sets of hands, his sword, and the black dragon. The second tray comes with the transparent stand support, the clips, the base, and an extra arm. Vincent, as known in the Philippines, stands around 5.5 inches tall, short of 6 inch. He has multiple points of articulation, and be careful when you're manipulating those joints because once you move them, it becomes somehow loose. So I suggest to be very careful when you are rotating them and when you're handling his body because he has soft goods as clothes. Here he is compared to the one-shot Yusuke or Eugene. You can tell that there is a big difference with the quality of the cloth used. And one shot has a bigger head than the Dasin model. For other size comparison, here he is with the Bandai model kit Buzz Lightyear, the SH Figure Arts The Dark Knight, the Justice League Superman from Mafex, and the SH Figure Arts Kid Krillin. And with other anime figures, Vash the Stampede from Trigun by Jazzwares, All Might from Revoltech, Zenitsu from Buzzmode, and Garu from Dasin Toys. And with that, thank you all for watching. See you again next video.